There is no organization that has been more committed to pediatric oncology than the Hyundai Motor Corporation. They have made the single area that they give their philanthropy to pediatric cancer. And that is unheard of, and we are so incredibly grateful for that support. Across this country, pediatric oncology views this award process as one of the most significant to the work that we do.
Nothing in science is more beautiful than the impact it has on our patients. So in 1970, a patient who had leukemia had a 10% survival rate. And now, because of many people, brilliant people, that is now, when we are counseling families, 90%. So from 10% to 90%. And many are to thank for that. Everyone who comes to take care of our patients every day, the people who are behind the scenes helping our research move forward, and certainly foundations like Hyundai. So what we are working to do, our first aim, is to define what this small group of cells is so we can better detect it. That will help guide our treatments for our patients who have leukemia, understanding what patients may need more therapy and what patients may be able to stop their therapy.
And so what we're trying to do here at Mott, but also in my lab, is to harness precision medicine and trying to target therapies directly to the mutations of each patient's individual tumor. And so this grant really is an exploration of that concept. In our experience here, we've sequenced about 40 or 50 pediatric brain tumors, and about a quarter of some of our worst acting tumors, the high-grade gliomas, carry mutations in two genes that are related, PDGFR and FGFR. And this grant really looks at tumors, those high-grade gliomas with those mutations.
In 2017, there are still childhood brain tumors that are terminal upon diagnosis. And over the last 6 years, we have lost far too many of our friends for all types of childhood cancer. As parents and patients, we rely on grants like this, which provide critical funding and support from corporations like Hyundai and dedicated researchers like Dr. Ney and Dr. Koshman, who are passionate about finding cures for our kids. Thank you again, Dr. Koshman and Dr. Ney, for being champions for the littlest ones. And thank you, Hyundai, for funding hope for patients like Allie and parents like us.